I just washed it off. We're going to put it in a pan. All right. Now the water is going to boil. So we're going to have like, we're going to season it and let it boil for like at least probably like 20 to 15 minutes. So let me show you what I did. I had let the chicken boil, and then I had went ahead and just put the chicken on the grill, honey. So right now it is like grilling, okay? And I turned the grill on. It is at its lowest temperature, okay? All right, so listen up here, guys. We got some green beans on and popping. What I did was I had added a little salt and pepper. Let me show you. So we got a little ground pepper, black pepper, and where's my salt? Oh, and then we got the Morton salt, okay? So I put a little of that in there, and then we also added, you know, a little margarine into it, like a teaspoon of margarine. I think it was 2 teaspoons. But anyway, so guys, JR like the instant macaroni and cheese. That's what we got right here, okay? So right now, I had bring my water to a boil. We're going to add a little pinch of salt, okay? And then we're going to add our noodles, okay? So let's go. So guys, what I did was I had flipped it over, okay? And this is how it looked once it's flipped over. All right, so I'm going to record myself putting some barbecue sauce on this once I come back, okay? I want to show y'all, but right now it's flipped over. I'm letting it cook on that side. Matter of fact, I'm going to just put the barbecue sauce on it while it's cooking on the other side. Y'all, we're going to add some barbecue sauce on this beautiful looking chicken while it's cooking on one side. All right, so let me add some sauce to it. I'm going to put a little bit of sauce. I call this the daddy barbecue. Well, when it comes to the sauce, we're going to put a little bit of sauce on it. Some barbecue sauce on the other side. Let it cook for like 1 minute.
I have a question. Why is the barbecue sauce just sitting right there?
Because I'm about to use it.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so yeah, guys. So we're going to let it cook for 1 minute. Like once we turn this over again, let it cook for 1 minute. And then we'll be done with the chicken wings. Alright, guys. This chicken is all done now. It's ready to come out. So yeah, I let it cook for like 6 or 7 minutes. Well, not that long. I let it cook for like 5 minutes on the other side. So now we had grilled both sides. Let me get this. This is being a little stubborn. So we got barbecue sauce on both sides, honey. Okay? So we got that done. Okay, guys, everything is done. So we got some barbecue chicken right here, some instant macaroni and cheese, and some green beans. All right, good to go.